Yes, you're right. Halloween decorations get made. Yay! Time to make some. For this project you will need... Well, this is a lot of stuff, so I think I'll just tell you as we go. And also, all this will be listed in the description box below. We already had this cauldron, and we wanted to use it for this craft. So we're going to make it all bubbly on top, and then we will have like a fire at the bottom.
So, we have some orange lights and we're spreading them out in order to look more like fire. Don't forget to leave your plug out so that you can plug it in.
I can't believe my dad's letting me do this. Wow.
We put some burned wood from our fire pit to make it look more realistic. Get some black and or red spray paint and spray it on there. Make sure it's not too thick or else the lights won't shine through. And that wouldn't be good. The fire's looking great, and now let me show you the secret for how to make the cauldron bubble. These little things are called atomizers. They're magic because they make mist out of water. Get a basin for the water. We used green lights for the mist to make it look better. Also cover everything in garbage bags. Add water and make sure that it's over the top of your atomizers. The cauldron wasn't scary enough, so we needed a cool creature. This here is my friend Florence. How you doing today? He doesn't talk very much. We got this beautiful light globe online. You can turn it into different colors. After Halloween, you can also use it for different things. We put it on top of a big old plant hook. We made arms out of a lot of sticks, and we tried to put on lights, but it didn't really look good at night. Ooh! Now it's time to put this fabric on Florence's head. We've got our fire, we've got our Florence, and we have our bubbly water. Now it's time to wait until night. Yay! I love how our project turned out. It was really easy, so you can do it too. Thanks for watching. Bye!